create a new appointment, add a new customer, add their first name, surname, phone number, and email address, add their new pet, select the breed, add a service, select the service. If you want, you can change the time. I'm now going to want a full payment up front. Beth's now got an email with the form, and here's the form filled in by the customer. She can now accept the terms and condition. She can now make a £45 card payment. She'll now see a confirmation screen confirming the appointment and thanking her for her payment. And over in Topline Dogs, you'll get a notification to say that you've received payment and that Beth is registered. Simple as that.